Want to do the intro for me? Alright, fine, I'll do it. Alright, what's up, guys? Today we're just gonna do a regular video. Except, you hear that? They're testing the firearm. Since it breaks my ears, we're staying out here.
Oh no, it doesn't break your ears.
Yes, it does, you idiot!
It doesn't out here, but when you get in there, it's pretty loud.
Exactly. That's what I said. Yeah, Raul, because you wear a hood the whole day.
No, it's because I
No
listen
hoods
to loud music.
allowed. Hey, now you know his true identity.
I'm not even in class.
Too bad. We're in school grounds. No hoods.
No, I'm not.
All that is on campus.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. All that is on school campus.
Not if I go on that road over there.
No, that road's also school campus.
No, it's not.
That legit. For after that road is no longer in school campus. At least that's why.
Well, then I'll go in that grassy road.
All right, see you later, bro.
Doesn't want to go in yet. Somebody said they practice it in the morning sometimes. I don't know, we just had them. Or what?
Hashtag talking to a teacher.
Because that is the worst noise in existence. And I teach sixth graders.
Oh, yeah, I had
That's the worst noise.
Yes. Especially in your classroom. It's real loud in that
Oh
classroom.
my gosh, it's awful.
Yeah.
You
Nope.
didn't realize that was what you're going on just like here to get. Oh, really?
She's talking to my reading teacher. Yeah, so couldn't chill out here until they finally turned it off. Okay, you've been testing it for like 10 minutes now. Can you hurry up and turn it off already? I'd rather do more lockdowns than more fires.
Oh, more fires and less lockdowns?
No. I mean, it's at school. You understand. So yes, you want to tour? Did they finally turn it off? Thank you. Got better than this. My ears break again for the 1 millionth time.
Turn it back on.
I don't know why Raul. Okay, Raul, if you like that noise, then you are dumb. Then you have a problem.
No, it's called I like noises.
Then you have a problem.
Want some breakfast? Can I get some breakfast?
No. I already have my breakfast.
So
Let's go to your house.
If it were to go off again, I was going to say, grab my keys and y'all can run to the road.
Run.
But you'd still hear it in there too, so it's just gonna
We had a
Just go
fire.
to Miss Mintz's room. You can barely hear it.
just tear.
Oh yeah, Miss Mintz took it out.
She pulled out the bottom cord. If her door's open, I'll show you. No, I'll show you what. Oh, all the doors shut.
The school's on fire. No. Oh wait, yay! No more school. Let's go.
Watch it actually just start a fire. Yeah, that lit.
No, it's like no.
Shoots up the hall.
No, like right there, watch it explode, and like the whole that whole wall is burst into flames. Like, pull the alarm. Gotta get down here.
We start running for our lives.
Okay, literally the only doors is the second grade hall that are open.
Oh yeah, because teachers.
You must walk in. How dare you not walk in?
Can you hear? What? Can you hear? We just got here. Oh my God.
And next thing you just hear the fire alarm go off for like 10 minutes straight. Like, shut up. No one cares. Oh yeah, I see what you did. That's nice. Of course it did.
I heard it from out here. I mean, the light works. I just didn't hear it.
I wish school would just have it on the light.
But then they wouldn't be able to scare the kids and say there's a fire and run.
No.
That'd be funny. They could come on.
No, the
there.
old guy was like, fire, 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 run, run, run. Jump out the window, bro. Alright, guys, we have arrived in the classroom. The video I made yesterday. And Legend 2 will be getting delayed, unfortunately, because my phone is not working the way it wants to. Okay, I'll find a way to upload it. And you know I will, because I'm smart.
You'll make sure your phone's on.
They're always off.
Mine is never off, but it's only 8 o'clock, so we're good. Actually, it's not. It's 10 minutes till 8.
Ah, crap. We have heavy computers. You better not go off again.
Go off again?
Shut up. Close the door.
Open the door?
Shut up. I will kick you out of this classroom. Yeah, literally me.
Here's your pencil pouch, and you need it.
Okay, I don't need it right now. At this second. Oh, what's Ryan gonna watch? 5-year-old? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, let's turn off his phone so we can do something fun.
I was doing something fun.
Watching YouTube is not fun.
That is.
No, it's not.
Why do you keep hitting me?
Because
Because I'm gonna hit you back.
I'm doing what you did to me.
What?
I'm gonna be annoying, just like you were to me.
When? When?
Oh, yeah.